Here I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to go to some kind of files application. This one, I guess. So from here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some images, I guess. So let's pick this one. To select it, you just have to hold down your finger on it. Then tap on three dots. Select if you want to move or if you want to copy this image. So let's copy. Then select where to, internal storage or SD card. Let it be SD card. Then select to which folder, could be pictures for me, tap copy here, and now you have two copies of this image, one on your device and one on your SD card. Okay, some files are hidden. Never mind. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.